Everyone is talking about AI. It is everywhere. A recent study revealed that by 2030, there will be more AI agents than humans in the world. The future belongs to AI agents. If you are not learning AI in 2025, you are probably at risk of being replaced at your job. AI itself won't take your job, but people with AI skills definitely will. Learn to build the world's best autonomous AI agents with mentorbabaa Academy's global industry experts in the Microsoft Professional AI Masters program, where you will master artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, autonomous AI agents, AI vision, and natural language processing, etc. You will also get to implement 10-plus projects with 50-plus hands-on labs. Doesn't it sound fascinating? I know it does. Enroll today and get ready to lead the world of AI agents.